Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bin shelf in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door shelf bin. This door bin is located on the fresh food compartment door of this refrigerator. It's used for additional storage of produce. The most common reason to replace the door bin is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or keeps the food in. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the door shelf bin, we need to push it up on the sides, and now we can take it out. This is the old door shelf bin next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Well, if you did notice, there's two slots on the side of the door, and we've got two tabs on the side of this nice bin. So we're gonna put it in and push it down. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.